Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find draft post on Facebook. So open the Facebook app. So here you can see I will just write randomly hi James, or I will just go back to exit this create post and save as drafts. So you will get notified in a second. So you make sure must log in with your application. So wait for a second, and he has give you a notified message. You will see, scroll down, you will see your draft has been saved. So here you can find your draft. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.